Our team absolutely loves using Nanuk cases for our instrumentation. They're really just unbeatable. They've got great hardened exteriors, great latches. We've never had one fail and cause an instrument failure. But there is one frustration, which is how do you mount them if you need to? Well, we've solved that problem with a new line of products. Hi, I'm Dr. John Leeman, the owner of Leeman Geophysical, and today I want to show you our new line of Nanuk mounting brackets. So these Nanuk cases are great. We use them for everything, including our field volt system. This is a field volt power case. So if I open it up, you can see inside we've got our batteries, our accessories, our power switch, and charge controller. This is a great unit, but if I'm going to go somewhere where, let's say I know it's prone to flooding, or I don't want this case down on the ground where rodents can easily get at the cables, or I want to mount it to the side of a building, or maybe I don't have a field volt power case, but I just have a Nanuk box and I want to put first aid supplies in it and mount it to the back of my vehicle, or mount it somewhere in our shop. We need a good bracket to do that, and there's really not anything out there on the market until now. So these are our Nanuk mounting brackets. They come for a variety of cases and let you mount these cases pretty much however you want. They've got mounting holes on the back, and right now we have brackets, U-bolts that let us put them on an antenna mast so we can mount it to a pole, say on a tower or any other field installation. But you can take the U-bolts out and just use normal screws to mount it to the side of a building or to a vehicle, whatever you'd like. This shape retains the handle, and the bottom of the case slides in over the tabs, leaving the center free if you've got connectors there on your case or anything else that you need access to. There's also a spot to attach a bungee with a toggle if you feel that your case needs more retention. To use the bracket, it's pretty simple. You stand the handle of the case up, and it goes in here. Then the handle comes down, and the bottom of the case snaps in, and now it's securely retained. To remove the case, just pull on the bottom and lift it off the bracket. So these are really easy to use, and they mount pretty much any case in any orientation. We also have a right angle adapter kit. We have another video on that. If you need to mount the case in a right angle orientation, say you've got a camera that's looking out, like our GeoCapture case or something like that. Another key feature of this design is if I go ahead and put the case back in, notice it doesn't affect my accessibility. So let's say I'm mounted on a tower or mounted to the side of a building, I can still open and access my equipment and then close it back up, all without ever removing the case. So no matter who you are, whether you're doing geophysical fieldwork or a first responder, or you just like having Nanuk cases, these brackets will help you know where they are and keep them securely mounted. The brackets are powder coated in a matte black finish that should be very durable when they're outdoors, say they're mounted on a vehicle for years. And they are cut, bent, fabricated, and coated, all right here in our facility in Gentry, Arkansas, USA. So whether you're a field geophysicist, first responder, or just like having Nanuk cases, these are a great accessory to add to your system, and they're available on the website today. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more new products, free tutorials, and stay tuned for updates and sales.